I'm going to demonstrate how to create an emulator in Android Studio. Just we need to go to Tools, then click on AVD Manager. And also you can select this symbol from the Tools bar. Okay, now I have, so we are in now your virtual devices screen. So here it will show the list of the devices we have created for it. So I have created emulator for this kind of device, so that is why it is showing here. So I'm going to create a new virtual device. So just go to here and click on create virtual device. So here we can create different kind of emulator based on the category. For example, if your application wants to test in both phone and tablets and some kind of TV kind of apps, so based on that you have to create the device from this category. So most of the application we develop for the phone, so I'm going to create an emulator for the phone kind of device. So here we can choose a device based on the size and the resolution. Okay, for example, I'm selecting this Pixel 3 XL. So right now the size is 6.3 inches and the resolution is 1440 by 2960. So I'm selecting this one. So then click on next. And here we need to select the API level you want to use in that device. So these are the list of the API levels they're providing. So based on that you have to download the OS to install into that device. So I have downloaded already for this R kind of OS. So that is I'm going to click on next. So if you want to choose other OSs, just you need to download, and it takes some time to download that OS and it install into that virtual device. So this is mainly useful. Suppose if you find any bug, it is reproducing only in some particular kind of OS devices. At that time you should choose that kind of OS and you need to install that OS into the device. So in that scenarios it will be very helpful. So right now I have chosen this OS. Then click on next. So here we need to give the AVD name. I mean, what is the device name you want to give? So by default is giving like this. If you want to change the name, you can change. Then click on finish. So now here we are able to see the device here. So for example, I'm going to install my application into that emulator. Okay, so just you need to select the which device you want to install our application into the device. So right now I have two devices. One is the Pixel 3 XL and one is the 3A. So I'm selecting the one which I have created recently. So this is the one I have created. Then click on run symbol. So it launched the emulator and install the sample app. So now it started the emulator. So actually sometimes it takes more time based on your PC configuration and hardware configuration kind of things, and based on processor. So it considers all those things and then it start the emulator. Yeah, so this is our sample app. So it is installed in the emulator. So this is the main process to create the emulator. So actually we can test most of the UI part using the emulator, and we can also create different emulator based on different OS versions and all those things. But one of the drawback with the emulator is a few of the functionalities we cannot test in the emulator. For example, some kind of Wi-Fi related functionality kind of thing. We can test few of the test cases, but all the scenarios we cannot cover in the emulator. In that case, we have to use real devices kind of thing. Okay, and other than that, we most of the cases we can use the emulator to test our application. Thank you.